Hello everyone, this is part 1 of my AngularJS forms tutorials, and in this tutorial I'll tell you how to handle forms in AngularJS in a better way. So let's start. So first, this is my HTML code. This is basic HTML, and script.js is empty right now. So what's in my basic HTML, what I did is I've done the basic Angular setup, like assigning ng app to the body and assigning the ng controller to this, and just module and app.controller. This is the basic thing that I've done, and now I will starting with forms. Okay, so initially it looks like this, the basic form. It's only HTML, no Angular in this right now, just the basic Angular setup I've done, and this is basic HTML. Okay, so now what I will do is uh, since you can see that I haven't assigned any ng model for this name, age and phone number, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an object which is the student object, the script.js class. So that is scoop.student. I'll create an object with 3 fields, that is name, which will be empty initially, name, age should also be empty, and the mobile number. These 3 fields will be empty initially. So now what I've did is I've created a student object. Now what I'm going to do is I will with the help of this object I will attach this object to the form. Like I will attach each and every field of this student object to the form as follows. So what I will do, for name I will write ng model as student, my object name dot the field, right? So student dot name is represents student object dot its name property, right? And this must be a scope object, right? Student dot name. Similarly what I will do, let me copy this. Similarly for age I will write ng model as student dot age, and similarly for phone number I'll write dot mobile, like this, right? And what I have to do right now, let's check whether our form fields are attached to the scope objects or not, the scope object that we have created or not. So for that what I will do I'll write ng-click function, and we will print the object in the console, right? So ng-click is equal to submit form, right? So let me write this function in a script class, like $scope.submit form equal to function, and so let's print this console.log, right? Our student object. Let's save our changes and run. So let me bring my console. So this is the console. So what let us first check whether when I click the submit I'll get an error like student is not defined. This is because script.js 13. Okay, fine, I got an error in student. Sorry, it must be $scope.student. $scope.student. Save all. Again, reload the form. Fine. So initially when I click submit, empty, we'll get name, age and mobile as empty because we haven't filled anything. Now next what I will do, let me fill something like Vicky, age 21, phone number, something like this, and let me click on submit. So now you can see that the values are appearing over here. This means that we have successfully attached our object that we created in the script.js with the forms over here, right? Now in the next videos I will tell you how this is important and how it will make your work easy, like how will it will make your work easy for form validation. So thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.